Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting video to share with you. I am finally sharing my birthday haul. So I just celebrated my birthday at the beginning of this month and I got a couple of things for my birthday and I'm super excited to share with you. So let's get into the video. The first item is a pair of Yeezys. So I got a pair of Yeezy 500. When this colorway drops, I had to have it. It's just me. So yes, I have the Yeezy 500 in the soft vision color. Hope this is coming up true to color. It is a light purple, which is really like my color this year, 2020. I love this shade of purple. So here are the shoes. I love them. I'll definitely put links below to everything that I'm going to share with you guys. I cannot wait to style this. I've had these, I got these a little bit after my birthday because I was waiting for like my main birthday gift to arrive to make this video for you guys. And I haven't worn them. As you see, they still have the tags on it. I picked up these in a size 8, which is pretty much one size up from my Yeezy 350s. Saw some reviews that said these ran a little small. This size was just such a better price that even if they were a little big on me, I was willing to get them, but they actually fit just fine with a thicker sock. It's totally fine. So I cannot wait to wear these. I think this is like the perfect spring summer sneaker. This color is awesome. I'm super excited. So these are my Yeezy 500 in the soft vision colorway. So this has been something that I've been wanting for quite some time. I knew I wanted to get it for my birthday this year. It's from Hermes. So I just want to mention that's how you pronounce it. Hermes is a proper French name. So you should pronounce it Hermes. Almost like there's a Z at the end. So I purchased this from Hermes. This is my first online purchase from Hermes. I usually shop in boutique with them, but obviously due to lockdown and all that, I shopped online. So it's my first online shopping experience with them. I have this card. Oh, it says your receipt. So let's just have a look. Yep, that's the receipt. Nothing special there. Little Hermes card. Just his happy birthday. So that was nice. And this is the item in here. Again, I've never purchased Hermes online, so I'm not sure what their online packaging is like. Old. And here is the item. It's like taped up. It has our little Hermes sticker. And here is my gift. So let's undo the ribbon. This box and a little pouch inside. There's a little booklet about the item, so we'll get into that after. So here's the pouch. And here is my item, guys. This is the Hermes Clic bracelet. So this is in the thinner size in the white enamel with the palladium hardware. To open it, you kind of push in at the H, twist the H up. It opens up. I'm gonna put it on my wrist here. Guys, there is my bracelet. My personal style and jewelry is very dainty, very minimalist, very classic, simple pieces. I don't really go for loud pieces at all. I usually just wear this one bracelet here. This is a Vinader bangle, and I actually purchased this for my 33rd birthday, and I spent that birthday in Paris. And I bought the bracelet in London, but I had it engraved in French. Probably can't see it on camera, but it's engraved in French. It says live your dreams and my birth date. So I wear this bangle every day, and I wanted to add a little something to this arm. I've been eyeing the Hermes Clic bracelets for years, and then I just thought the white with the palladium would be so perfect, and that's how it looks. But I just thought this would be the perfect addition to add to my bangle. This is the thinner Hermes Clic. So if you're shopping for this bracelet and you're not going into boutique, make sure you measure your wrist. I probably could have gotten the PM size, but then it would not, I don't know how it would have stacked with this one. I wanted it to be enough room where this would come down further on my arm. So I opted for the GM size, but make sure you measure your wrist and you're getting the right size. So this is the little booklet that was inside. So thank you for choosing this Hermes bracelet in enamel made of plain enamel. The Clic bracelet features a pivoting clasp shaped like an H. As a graphic as it is smart, it closes around the wrist with a simple click, hence the name Clic. Oh, it's called the Bracelet Clic. I don't know, I'm calling the Hermes Clic, but maybe it's just the Hermes Clic bracelet. Tell you how to open and close it, how to care for the item. Yes, that's my Hermes Clic bracelet, and I think this is definitely something I'm going to be wearing daily, along with my Monica Vinader bracelet that I always wear. All right, guys, just one more thing that I wanted to share with you. If you saw my quarantine vlog, then you saw me unbox this. And it's the Marc Jacobs midi pillow bag in the color cotton, which is white. And I am doing a giveaway currently, giving away this particular bag. Not this exact one, because this one's mine. The one that I'm going to be giving away, I've already ordered it, so I'm all set, ready to make sure it goes to its new homes and we can be bag twins, whoever wins. So if you are interested in winning a brand new Marc Jacobs mini pillow bag, definitely check out the information below to go to the video to enter the giveaway. This was like another birthday treat for myself. I really love the Marc Jacobs pillow bag. I think it's an awesome design. I think this summer in the white cotton color is just perfection. Can't wait for one of you guys to win this bag and we can be bag twins, because I love it and I just want to share it with one of you guys. All right, guys, that's it. That's my birthday haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, and travel. So if you're not subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you're always notified as soon as I post. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.